Okay, let's look at OR gate. And OR gate is also similar, but just a circle at the edge. Okay, so if we give input A and B, the output will be A plus B. Now it's the same A, B, it will also A plus B complement. Okay, so this is the difference between the OR and the NOR gate. Now let's draw a truth table and see for both how does it work. So if it's 0 0, it's 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1, so which I've already seen that. Now let's look at A, B, A plus B complement. So it's 0 0 1 0 0 1 1. Now here if you look at, it's a complement, so 1 1 will always give you 0 0 0 and 1. So if you look at this and you look at this, both are complementing each other. Okay, so this is OR and the NOR gate. A function using a diagram and how it will work. Okay. So these both are AND gate. Okay, let me just finish drawing. Now remember one thing is that AND will always correspond to multiplication and OR will be a plus. So remember that always. Now what will it do if I have A and B? So A into B will always give me AB, correct? So what will happen to the second AND gate, right? So it will do this, it will take this and it will multiply by this. Okay, so what will the output? So it has to be F is equal to A, B and C. I'll give one more and see what output can you get for this. So I'll draw and give you time to draw, and by the time you figure it out, let me have a look at the score. RCP is batting. pause here and finish the. I hope you have solved it by this time. So I'll solve along with you. Okay. Now here x and y. If you say x into y will give you x into y. Okay, and this x into y complement or y prime will give you x y prime, right? So when it comes to an OR, what the answer will be? X into y plus x y prime. So the function f will be f is equal to x y plus x upon x into y complement. So with this diagram you can becomes easier for do it. Okay, let's can you try this one now? Okay, so here you have OR gates, here you have an AND gate, and here it's an AND gate. So I'll give you some time for you to do that. So take 2 minutes and then I will solve that. Okay, have you done? Now here if you see, or it is a plus b and a into b prime or b complement is a into b complement. So when this and this is given to the AND, that means this multiplied by this will be a plus b into ab complement. Now we are not going in simplification right now, we are just looking at what how the block diagram is being given. Okay, okay, I'll give the third one so you can solve this. Okay, so x y x prime, this is an OR gate, this is an OR gate, this is an AND gate. Okay, so can you solve it? Okay, so what we'll do is x y, so that is x plus y, x or x prime z, so it is same thing. Okay, x prime plus z or z. Now you have this value and you have this here. Now this will become input to AND gate, so this becomes this into this, right, will give you the output. So how it would be? So I say x plus y into x prime plus z prime. So this will become your function. Okay, so the output of f is equal to this. So let's look at one more example. A little complicated, which I'm Okay, can you think of it, or it's a bit tough? So look at it. You know, this is AND gate, OR gate, AND gate, AND gate, and an OR gate. Okay, so think one at a time and go ahead. If you have not finished, pause it and try to finish before looking at the solution. So I'll do now. When you're doing it, see, when you're doing AND gate, it always AND represents, you can say, multiplication, or is always having an addition sign. So let's do it x y. So the output for x y, I'll change the color so that it becomes easier to understand. X into y, so it's x y. Now I have the output for this. Now for here, for OR gate, there is another input, that is a z here. So what I do, OR is plus, right? So I'll say the output for OR gate here will be x into y plus z. Okay, so that is here. Now when I have AND gate here, so you have this into this, because this is the another input what you are getting it. So what will you write? X prime or x complement into xy plus z. This becomes your output for AND gate. Now we have to look at the for here, but first we'll calculate this. Now here the AND gate is having 3 inputs. Now for 3 inputs, it's an AND gate, so it's multiplication. So what we do is we say x into y prime z, right? So this becomes the output for the AND gate. Now what we have to do is, this is OR gate, so this plus this, right? So how do you write it? So you can say f is equal to x prime into xy plus z plus w plus x y prime z. This becomes your answer. I hope you got the same answer. Okay, so I hope you can write the function now well, or do you want to take one more problem? Okay, let's look at something. Now let's do the opposite of that. So say f is equal to a b plus c. Now you know about it, so I'll just take you 2 minutes, or you can take a pause and do it. Okay, so this is a into b. So if a into b it is, and here it is a plus, so it is, this is and this becomes OR, correct? So how will you draw it? So let's draw it. A b, so output is a b, so we have to make an OR gate. So okay, so this c, so we take this c, okay, and this is here, so this is OR. So ab plus c, so it becomes, so your f is equal to ab plus c. Easy. Okay, let's look at one more. F is equal to xy plus x prime y plus y prime z. Okay, so look at these and see how and what would you use it. Okay, so this is x into y, x into, right? So what we have, sorry, now this is, everything is and. If you look at, this is and, this is and, right? Why? Because now here these are and this becomes or, correct? I hope you thought in a similar way. So you can pause and draw it. Now put it, add it up, so it will be xy plus x prime y plus y prime z. Now this is what we have is, take one more example and solve on your own. Now draw a block diagram for this. Pause the video and you can do it. Now if you have seen, now this all are, everything is or, sorry, or, and if you see, we don't write when it's a bracket, it is dots. Now this are known as and, right? Now after looking at that, can you solve the expression? I mean, make the block diagram for that. Now here, if you see, there are three inputs. See, so it will be b prime, c prime will give you b prime plus c prime. Let's bring it all together. Okay, with the AND gate will be, this is an AND gate, so you have to, these all three we need to multiply that, right? So if you do that, what you get is nothing but this. Okay, so I hope you have understood that.